Welcome back to my channel. The 1967 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most iconic versions of the world's most recognizable car. By this year, the Beetle had already established itself as a symbol of practicality, reliability, and charm, but the 67 model holds a special place in history because it combined classic design with key updates that made it unique. Looking at the exterior, the familiar rounded shape is instantly recognizable. The fenders curve smoothly over the wheels, the roofline is distinctively domed, and the car's compact dimensions make it approachable and friendly. For 1967, subtle changes gave it a more refined look, such as a wider rear window for better visibility, unique bumpers with upright overriders, and slightly different headlights that helped define its character. Chrome trim around the windows and body edges added a touch of sparkle, while the simple steel wheels with hubcaps reinforced its practical roots. The design may have been modest, but its timeless silhouette made the Beetle an enduring classic. Open the door and step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that is simple, functional, and full of charm. The cabin is basic by modern standards, but that's part of its appeal. Two simple front seats and a narrow rear bench offer seating for four, with thin padding and upright backrests. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, featuring a single large speedometer with fuel gauge, a few switches, and little else to distract the driver. Everything is laid out with simplicity in mind, and yet there's a warmth to the thin steering wheel. The painted metal surfaces and the airy cabin make it feel friendly and approachable. Despite its size, the Beetle is surprisingly practical, with a small trunk under the front hood and additional storage space behind the rear seats. The interior reflects the Beetle's mission: affordable, reliable transportation without unnecessary complexity. Under the rear deck lid sits the heart of the car, a 1.5-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine. In 1967, this engine produced about 53 horsepower, which may sound modest, but in a car weighing just over 1,800 pounds, it provided adequate performance for its time. The engine is mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox, delivering power to the rear wheels. One of the Beetle's defining traits is its durability. The air-cooled motor is simple, robust, and famously reliable, capable of running for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. On the road, the Beetle is not about speed but about character. It delivers steady, dependable performance, with light steering and a soft ride that makes it easy to drive in the city or on country roads. The 1967 Volkswagen Beetle represents a perfect blend of tradition and small but important improvements, making it one of the most beloved model years. With its timeless shape, simple interior, and dependable performance, it remains a true automotive icon and a symbol of accessible, joyful motoring.